Loss of collagen is what leads to sag, the downturned mouth, the facial sag, and the loss of fat pads in the face. In this video today, I'm going to tell you how to make your own collagen boosting broth at home on your stovetop. You guys are asking for a recipe, and here it is. Of course, you know collagen powders are on the market. A lot of people use those daily, and you also know how important collagen is for skin glow, youth, and beauty, and you can do something right from your own home to help your collagen. Brighten skin, reduce lines and wrinkles, and there's more and more studies that do show it's being absorbed into the body and gets to where it needs to go. Some of you like buying pre-made collagen powders like mine, and some would rather make your own so you know exactly what goes into it. In this way, you can also control the flavor. But for those wanting to purchase it, I'll put a link to my collagen powder below in the more info section. You want to start by collecting bones from your local butcher or farmer. I get my food and meats and my vegetables from a local farmer. You ask them, they will have these. I'm talking chicken, beef, lamb, all of those are going to work just fine. You want to place the bones in a large pot or even a slow cooker. You cover them with cold water. I think it's important when you start off, cold water. Add in any vegetables, herbs that you might like. Think of garlic, carrots, onions, parsley, celery. And when I said before, you can get your own flavor. This is something that makes it different than your collagen that you buy, like mine. You can flavor it to what you want to be. With the powders, you're going to be adding them into foods that you might like. But I like unflavored. In this case, it can be pretty tasty. Now you take those things and you bring them to a boil, reduce heat to a simmer. You let that broth simmer for how long? At least 8 hours. So you want to do it during the day. Maybe you're doing other chores, but you simmer it for 8 hours. Some people on here, and you can comment below, they do like 24 hours for even a richer flavor. Now I'll finish the recipe, but if you're getting value out of these, please click the like button and subscribe. So what you do next is you strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, and you're going to then remove the bones and vegetables. That leaves you with the broth. You let the broth cool down and then transfer it to containers or jars, whatever you want. But keep in mind, you can store it in the fridge for up to 5 days, but in the freezer, if you want to freeze it, it lasts about 3 months in there so that you can make it and batch it. So many people do that. That helps you make it more convenient. You can take out your frozen allotment for each week. When purchasing a collagen powder, you want to look for one that's flavorless, that has over 5 grams per serving. In fact, there was a recent study of a collagen pill and they used 1 gram a day. So 5 grams even is overkill. I include 7.8 grams per scoop of serving of mine. You want to look for non-GMO, tested for heavy metals, GMP, good manufacturing process certified, gluten-free, and made in the USA is preferable. Oh, and with this recipe today, you'll see we're dissolving bones in the water so that we get small size collagen peptides or hydrolyzed collagen. You want the same absorption for your collagen powder. It should be labeled easily dissolvable and multi-collagen hydrolyzed peptides. That means you're getting those small particles. Many people like to do both. You can use your own bone broth at home, and when it's more convenient, you can take the powder or you can simply stack it and use both daily. Add anything in the comments below to your recipes because you are all going to learn from everyone watching this and commenting below. This channel is all about learning. Stay tuned here. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.